Jesse cheering for?
We don't know.
Don't waste your water, Jesse. Why?
Ready to drive again?
All right, Jesse.
What are you cheering for?
Which team?
So obviously it says the fastest way is the pig trail, which we're not doing. But I think we're gonna have to go through Fort Smith and then no, I'm saying they were newly
What you
paved.
doing, man? San Jose Shark.
The boys are coming with me. Right, you guys?
Yep.
You guys listen to Adri, okay? Love you.
Bye. Bye.
You follow the bus, right?
Get in, son! We're going for a ride!
How you gonna do this?
This coffee's still full.
What? Ooh! Wait, make sure it's not pee. Is it pee?
I hope not.
Open it up.
Oh, it's coffee.
Oh my gosh, I'm still drinking that. Who got coffee? Dad didn't drink any of his
Might have
coffee?
been Mom.
Let me try it. Let me see what it is.
What if it is
Maybe
pee?
it's natty. What did you just say?
What if it is pee?
Oh my gosh, you drank pee, guys! It tastes like a caramel latte.
Can I taste it?
No.
I just can't wait to get on the road again.
Why did you do that? You were doing it so nice. On the road again. All right, we're about to hit the road. We got the bus started up. It had a little bit of trouble, but it's going. And Adri, Toby.
All right, I've checked all the fluids.
Checked all the fluids. Adri, Toby, Levi, and Jesse are all driving the Suburban, or in the Suburban. Adri's driving it. And the rest of us are
You got everybody accounted for?
in the bus. So,
I'm about to sneeze, then I won't do
here we
it.
go.
Oh my gosh, there he goes. This is so dumb. You like keep filming and nothing happens.
Stop it, Adri! Make sure to check out Toby Boy. That's my channel. Got vlogs of my perspective. Much better in my opinion.
It's about to go. Let it go! There he goes!
We drove for, what has it been, 4 hours?
Well, we left at noon.
Oh yeah, so it's been almost 5 actually, about 4 hours and 40 minutes. We are stopped in DeQueen. Adrian's been driving. Oh, sorry, Jesse. Didn't even know you were there. The boys did really good in there apparently with them. Not too much whining, which is awesome. We are stopped. We're gonna go and grab some gluten-free pitas or sub buns and grab some stuff to make some homemade subs or slash pitas, whatever they have available. So we're at Walmart in DeQueen, Arkansas, and
If you eat pizza.
we're eating pitas. Can you say pitas? Pitas. So we're about halfway. Gonna have some food, get gas in the Suburban. The bus is still good, and then get back on the road.
All right, we're in DeQueen. DeQueen, you know we're getting close to Louisiana because all the fake French names are popping up all over the map. So we're in DeQueen, Arkansas.
We got stuff to make pitas slash wraps. We just grabbed some pre-chopped onions, some pre-shredded lettuce, some deli meat, cucumber that I cut up. Is that it? Some shredded cheese.
Turkey, onion, cucumber, lettuce.
This is how you eat on the road, fast and
Cheap.
semi-healthy.
And cheap.
Oh,
We wanted tacos for life, but we didn't feel like dropping $200 today.
trying to hook up a little system so we can...
Well, this will tie into the main line once we're fully ready to do the drains, but temporarily we can drop into a bucket. So I took off the old ones. These hook up. They meet at a T. Temporarily, I'm going to make it drop down into a bucket so we can let water flow.
So we can use the sink, put a plug in there and wash dishes and things like that.
And then once I want to hook it to the main line, I can turn this towards the back and then hook into the drain.
All right, it is morning. We slept really good. It's nice and dark here compared to the state park where all the campers had all their lights lit up all over their campsites. So it was dark, it was quiet. It was great. Michael and I went and got a few supplies for some bus jobs. We got groceries and now we're back. We have been spending the last few weeks putting up Turkish towels to block off our bathroom when we're going to the bathroom and when we're changing and all that stuff. I had these doors painted and ready to go. They just hadn't got installed yet. So we are working on that right now. And then this door is already installed, which we have been using that one. So I'll show you how our little setup works once it's all installed. So this is our design. So we still have a few kind of kinks. This is supposed to fold shut. We did something wrong with the hinges or something. It doesn't go shut all the way, which doesn't matter too much because it's only going to be like that when it's folded in. It kind of touches the roof there, so I have to decide if I want to deal with that. But as it is, it kind of holds it in place so it doesn't flop around. So it kind of works too. It's just barely rubbing. So that's the bathroom door, and then you open it up. And then open up that hinge, and I will have some sort of latch, probably like this, that's gonna latch onto this.
So that is blocking the bunk room.
The bunk room.
From the washroom, and then we have our shower, which is a storage spot, but there will be a shower pan there and a shower. So that's blocking off the kids' bed.
And then this one.
And then our clothing pantry door swings out like that.
So this is now all closed off little bathroom, toilet on this side, and whoop, spin around, and then the shower will be on this side. It's kind of nice. It gives us a lot more privacy and a decent amount of room. It's narrow, but it's not bad. And this one might be able to, I mean, there's bunks on that side, but this one can, depending on where people are in the bus. It can be moved kind of to the other side of the Berkey there, which the Berkey's actually not going to stay here permanently. It's going to be pushed back. And then it gives you a little bit more space if you're at this end. You're not worried about it. That's the design, and then everything just folds up and goes back away. Got one project done today. That's pretty sweet. We haven't got anything done in over a week, so that's nice. I gotta figure, I don't know. We'll probably have this dealt with before this video comes out, but if anybody's like, you know, super smart with hinges and wants to tell me why, like, I feel like this should flip all the way closed. I don't know if the screws are hitting. I feel like maybe I need flathead screws. But like, it closes most of the way, but there's a little gap. It should close all the way. I don't know if I care enough though to fix it. It does what it needs to do. So this is like, got set on the hood of the Suburban. My nice paint job got some red Suburban paint on it. So hopefully that washes off. Otherwise, who cares? I got a door. We get doors. Yay!
No more curtains.
No more curtains.
I'm putting in the city water inlet. I hope it's not gonna land right where the wire is going in.
I don't know how to know that. How do we know that?
There's a blue line coming out where the wires go in.
Oh, okay. Toby's in here on make sure we don't hit an electrical wire duty. And Bethany's cutting up jeans into shorts.
It's important. It's hot down here, and all the shorts that we try and find are either too small or too big.
Yeah, she can't find shorts that fit her right. So she cut them a little long, and then she's gonna fold them up. Ah.
I think if I go in this neighborhood. Ready?
Yep. Do you see it? He doesn't see it yet.
I hit the frame.
Okay.
No, you can see it. Now I mean, it's cutting it, but that's not a good idea.
Okay. So you gotta need to pick a new spot. You're through it. Oh, okay, so that's where you
there's a
started
frame
drilling?
here. I saw a rivet, so I
it
avoided
was
that
there.
frame. Well, there is a frame there. I nailed it through 2 frames.
That's amazing that you... Good thing you didn't go, because you were saying you were going to go a little further over, but good thing you didn't. Wow. And you hit that lip in there. You hit pretty much every possible barrier other than electrical.
Another problem, does this actually go all the way in to hook onto?
It's like halfway.
Because that's frame.
Yeah,
I guess I could just...
top and bottom.
I think I'll need some kind of coupler. Goes threads onto here.
Can you like drill another hole in here so you can attach it at the top and the bottom?
Oh, I managed to get...
Oh, that is enough of a hole? Okay.
It's amazing how long this roll has lasted. How many projects I've done with it. Kind of tight to the one side.
Oh, so you might not be able to get a coupler in there?
Well, I'm gonna probably pull it off, put it on, and then push it through.
Right.
What on earth? No filter?
The filter's inside. That's a lot of dust. Might have just... Oh man, it might have just come off. So the vacuum. A little dusty in here.
Yeah.
I don't think you can tell on camera. What happened?
I don't know.
Oh, you can't tell from the inside.
Doesn't normally do that.
No, it doesn't. It shot it right at my... Look at my pants. It shot it right at my leg.
Might have been the filter.
Dusty.
Good thing you're not a horse roper.
Horse roper.
A cow roper. A roper. A rancher.
Maybe it would just
Roper Road? Like what are you talking about? Should we just sweep it up?
Maybe.
Now there's dust on everything.
Yeah. Just in time to cook supper. Can you vacuum up my pants? All right, Emily, she just created something with Lego. This girl loves Lego and creating things. Can you show us? Slicing, is that cake?
Yeah.
She slices the cake, puts it on a plate, and then she even has a little fork to pick it up and eat it with, all out of Lego. We're just gonna have to keep an eye on that bucket.
That's right. It's a temporary fix. Temporary. Might not get done till the end of the trip, but you know. It's
Better get done before that.
oh.
Emmy, can you show us what you made with your Lego? Nice. What is it?
Computer.
A laptop
Yeah.
with a hinge?
Yes.
That's amazing. Who gave you that idea?
Myself.
You did? So how did you learn how to make it spin like that?
I just came up with it.
You just came up with it all on your own?
I think Elon Musk would hire you.
Do you know who Elon Musk is? He's the one that designed, what's the name of the car?
Tesla.
He's the one that designed Teslas.
It's like, who invented the Model T?
You want to work for the guy that made Tesla?
We need smart people like you.
You like creating cool things though, hey?